Ever wondered why you can't stop scrolling even when you know you should? It's not about willpower, it's about how you design your day. I used to struggle with this myself. I'd set app limits, turn on Do Not Disturb, even hide my phone, but nothing worked. Then I figured out the real problem. Most people think that the solution is just less screen time, but that's really like putting a bandage on a broken leg. The real reason why you keep reaching for your phone is your life is not engaging enough. Think about the last time you were truly absorbed in something. Maybe a hobby or deep conversation or something exciting. You weren't fighting the urge to scroll because the urge wasn't there. For me personally, I was just filling in dead space. When I had nothing stimulating going on, my phone became the default. The fix: stop removing distractions and start adding things that are fulfilling for you. Schedule your day around activities that actually excite you. And make sure that you set clear goals. When you have a direction, everything else becomes effortless. And it's also very important for you to change your environment. If you're in the same space all the time, for example your room, your brain craves novelty and your phone will provide that for you. Go outside, walk, and change your scenery. Plan something every day that excites you, even if it's small. Don't just quit scrolling. Replace it with something better. If you're struggling, try this. When you get the urge to scroll, pause and ask yourself, what do I actually want right now? More often than not, it's not your phone. It's stimulation, connection, or a break. Give yourself the real thing. Try this for just a day and see the difference. Join my free 30-day step-by-step challenge and beat procrastination. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.